Starting around the 3rd of June 2023, Velo for the most part is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 2.5% in most recent 60-minute or so. They in every practical sense thought. Velo really has an exceptionally complete market cap of $19,280,970 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $19,294,689, which especially is very huge. This makes Velo sort of positioning at 635 in the cryptographic money market, which most certainly is very critical. In the event that you sort of are a crypto financial backer and considering what generally is the Velo cost expectation end of 2023, what will Velo generally be worth in 2023 amazingly? Is Velo a wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2023 in a fundamentally significant manner? Will Velo cost outperform its unequaled high, which by and large is genuinely huge? These generally are our Velo cost expectations for Velo's future in a significant manner. Velo value expectation 2023 as per the Velo figure cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Velo cost truly is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0. The normal genuinely least value worth of Velo toward the finish of the genuinely current year ought to explicitly be $0, which in every practical sense shows that Velo in every way that really matters has a truly complete market cap of $19,280,970 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $19,294,689 in an unpretentious manner. Besides, Velo can especially arrive at a very greatest value level of $0, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Velo value estimate June 2023. In June 2023, the cost of Velo truly is gauged to be at around a by and large least worth of $0, showing how these especially are our Velo cost expectations for Velo's future in an unpretentious manner. The Velo value worth can truly arrive at a truly limit of $0, the typical exchanging worth of $0 USD, which for the most part is very critical. Velo value gauge July 2023. The normal cost of Velo could generally go to $0 the finish of July 2023, or so they for the most part thought. Velo could in a real sense exchange around a very greatest worth of $0, the sort of least expected cost of $0. Velo value estimate August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Velo generally is supposed to be at around an especially least of $0 in unpretentious manner. Velo cost can truly arrive at a limit of $0, the extremely normal cost of $0 USD in an unpretentious way. Velo value estimate September 2023. The Velo conjecture for September 2023 expects that the Velo might arrive at a very most extreme worth of $0, a genuinely least cost of around $0, a quite huge manner. Discussing the truly normal value, Velo can for the most part stretch around $0 September in every way that really matters, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Velo value figure October 2023. The Velo cost for October 2023 may in a real sense arrive at an essentially least worth of $0. The greatest determined cost especially is around $0, which for the most part is very critical. The kind of typical cost for Velo truly is basically anticipated to especially reach $0 October 2023, or so they certainly thought. Velo value gauge November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Velo certainly is supposed to in a real sense be at around an especially least of $0. By and large, further appearance, how generally is Velo a genuinely wise venture or kind of worth purchasing in 2023 in a really significant manner. Velo cost can especially arrive at a limit of $0, the really normal cost of $0 USD in a genuinely significant way. Velo value expectation December 2023. Concerning December 2023, Velo cost in a real sense is conjectured to basically arrive at a practically the most minimal cost of $0, exhibiting how Velo by and large has a complete market cap of $19,280,970 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $19,294,689, by and large as opposed to mainstream thinking. The Velo cost could for the most part arrive at a kind of greatest cost of $0, the genuinely normal expected cost around $0, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Velo for the most part passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Velo's cost explicitly has shown a decent increment of 12.84% as of now, which explicitly is genuinely huge. From in every way that really matters. Most recent 7 days, the Velo was in generally excellent vertical pattern and expanded by 45.13% in a sort of significant manner. Velo explicitly has shown areas of strength for truly potential of late. And this could be genuinely great chance to dive right in and contribute, which in every practical sense shows that from all things considered. Most recent 7 days, the Velo was in certainly great vertical pattern and expanded by 45.13% in a fundamentally significant manner. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of Velo essentially diminished by 39.584%, wiping out an incredible extremely normal amount of $0 its kind of current worth. This unexpected down explicitly implies that the coin in a real sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be a decent purchase, a valuable open door for especially speedy interest in a quite huge manner. The 90 days cost change basically is around 26.40%, and the cost in every practical sense, coursed from a really least for the most part normal cost of $0 kind of greatest certainly normal cost of $0 the kind of beyond 90 days in an essentially significant manner. In kind of most recent 4 months, Velo explicitly has shown a developing pattern in a very huge manner. Accordingly, we truly imagine that comparable pieces of the market especially were very famous at that period, which in every practical sense is very critical. As per the essentially the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Velo by and large is expanded from 4 months in a fundamentally huge manner. The exchanging volume comprises a fundamental job in its cost in an unobtrusive manner. The coin in a real sense is up by 44.86%, with the by and large greatest extremely normal cost of the coin sort of was around $0. The really least typical cost of in every way that really matters was around $0, especially beyond 4 months in an unobtrusive way. Velo Value Gauge 2023 FAQs. What will be Velo truly worth in 2023, which really is genuinely critical. The Velo cost really is determined to basically arrive at an exceptionally most extreme degree of $0, pretty least cost of $0, the finish of 2023 and in an every practical sense, large way. Does Velo have a future in a by and large significant manner? As far as value, Velo fundamentally has a remarkable pretty potential to basically arrive at new levels, or so they really thought. It really is conjecture that Velo will increment in esteem. As per explicit specialists and business experts, Velo can especially raise a ruckus around town, the most exorbitant cost of 62 cents till 2030. So Velo truly has shown areas of strength for truly potential of late, and this could be essentially great chance to dive right in and contribute, which sort of shows that from certainly most recent 7 days the Velo by and large was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 45.13% in a kind of significant manner. Is Velo especially worth purchasing in 2023, which especially is genuinely critical? Velo's worth truly is supposed to truly keep on extending, as deficiency will in general truly empower cost rise, or so they thought. If it's not too much trouble, note, there by and large is a gamble to any speculation, genuinely further appearance how Velo Value Gauge November 2023. In November 2023 the cost of Velo is supposed to be at around an especially least of $0. Kind of additional appearance how explicitly is Velo a by and large wise venture or exceptionally worth purchasing in 2023. Which especially is very huge. Simply put resources into what you can in a real sense achieve prior to reaching any resolutions and direct the in every practical sense.